Yeah, I think this one should be like the easiest possible. That was my interpretation of it when I saw it. See your big Rayquaza over there.
Yep, I got 3 Rayquazas and 3 Salamance.
Everybody's got the right moves this time, right?
Yes, everybody has the right moves. Everything's super effective today.
Including the Latios, but c'est la vie. Oh, and the second one's going to walk into a damn charge move. There it is. Oh, well, at least it charges my charge move back up, too. For what?
No best friend.
Why not? Why have you not achieved... Why have you not achieved that with Allie yet? There you
Yeah,
go.
that's true.
It's a bad combination, huh?
Yeah, Allie.
It's 1 for 90.
Number
89 more days to go.
I'm on 4.
Yeah, I think I am also, actually.
These Salamances, though, they can take a little more damage than with that Solar Wave.
Really? Alright. Okay, good. That's here.
Oh, is VFW got one too?
That's what I thought you said.
No, I said Hop and Hall. MSSU.
Ugh.
I said you could take Zora all the way down there and you could get there in no time. 5.
I'm on number 5 now.
Well,
I
then look at the
misclouded.
map and see. We're a little busy. There's half.
Hey, we're ahead. Alright, we just got to manage the damn...
Last one.
Yep.
I'm on number 6.
Are you? Okay, good. Well, not good, but good. Because I'm still battling with 5. I just went 6. You better go ahead and bail and go heal.
I'm out.
Okay.
Back in.
Awesome. Perfect. Because...
Right into a charge.
Yep, you can thank me for that. I'm healing now.
Wow, that's horrible. 9 balls.
How many do you think I'm going to get?
Should get... Whose color gym was it? I don't even remember.
Blue. We don't get no gym buff.
Yeah. So we should...
This is 26.75.
We should get
Not your
16.
best.
16 each.
Now they're all coming out. Right over here. Leave them alone.
We're in the red.
Yep. We're on time.
Stop.
Come on.
Yeah, it hurt. I hate it when it hits me before my charge move gets to fire.
Well, this is a big job. No!
Miles is going to be mad.
Number 4.
Oh, we're cool. I'm just on number 2 the second time through.
Yeah, they're getting tired.
We're about there. It's a little different than battling a T-Tar with a duo.
Yeah.
You have 20 seconds left.
Oh, one more.
Boom.
Boom. Dead. He's gone. 19 seconds.
Yep.
Seconds left.
No, we won. Oh.
6 rare candies.
Fast charged.
Wow, I actually caught myself.
And a
No
charge
rare
to you.
candies.
No thanks to your ass.
You caught it?
No, don't get that.
Good
Look
job.
at that.
I'm proud of you.
You hung.
I hung up with you.
Yep.
If I can get my other Rayquaza powered up,
Mommy, it's
I
gonna
think
come
I'd be pretty close. I got 15 balls though. That's pretty good.
Yep, I got 16.
down. Is it true that